Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In 1983, the Fengxiang Elementary School in Hsinchu County was closed up due to a lack of students. But today, it's bustling as the Dashanbei Hakka Humanities and Ecology Museum. Visitors can enjoy the Mountain View restaurant, have a spot of tea, check out the Liuxing Chen comic area, and more. The area has several hiking trails to explore, such as the Dachidong Trail, which has gentle slopes and stone steps, making it suitable for a family hike. In January, visitors can take in the cherry blossoms along the trail, and in May, they can enjoy tongue blossoms during the day and fireflies at night.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And this whole month, we're taking you around Hsinchu County. 这个月好像我们都会带大家到横山乡啊。
对，望山乡。
望山乡。So 这边有什么值得一看的？
我们今天要去的这个地方
OK
叫做泰山杯客家人文生态馆。
泰山杯应该就是那个名字嘛？
对，
然后后面就是客家什么，
就是人文生态馆。
人文生态馆啊。So this is a museum that is located in this community.
之前不是生态馆，它之前是学校。
所以这个学校原本它是一个小学吗？还是
对，国小。
国小 ，OK, that means an elementary school.
但是因为呢学生太少，被废校之后，后来他们就把它修复变成一个人文生态馆。
Okay, so this museum was originally a school, but there was not enough students, and so they abandoned the school, and now it's turned into a museum. 好，去看这个 museum 之余，我们你刚刚讲的有步道不是吗？
对啊，这边步道真的很多，我推荐一条叫做泰家东骨头。
泰家东骨头，骨头就是古道 ，that means it's an old trail.
你1月份去就可以看樱花，那5月份去呢就看什么油桐花，对，晚上就可以看凤阳虫了啊。
对，5月的时候也有很多萤火虫会出现哈。
对啊。
All right, not only can enjoy the tongue flower blossom in May, but don't forget to check out the fireflies. Okay, don't forget, check out that museum that was once an elementary school, 原本是国小，
国小，
and then the trail that you need to walk on, 大启洞古道，
泰家东骨头，
and finally all those fireflies, 萤火虫，
凤阳虫
in May, okay, 凤阳虫。And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰家？
俺只 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.